In this section of the course, we're going to be discussing the IT knowledge base. What is the IT knowledge base? How can we upload information to the knowledge base? And how we can search the knowledge base for information to help us with issues. So what is the knowledge base? Well, the IT knowledge base is a collection of helpful information shared among coworkers or a community via a central location. You can also look at this like a public library. Now, a public library has information regarding various topics. You have some books on how to lose weight, you have other books on the best ways to walk your dog, and you have other books to help you write a resume. The IT knowledge base is a collection of this information. Basically, if a user is having issues installing Windows 7, they can go here and figure out where they may have this issue. Another user may log in and he may have 4 or 5 users that are having the same Outlook problem. Well, he can go to the knowledge base and search and see if any other technicians ran across this problem and how they fixed the issue. So the IT knowledge base is very, very helpful in the IT profession. Let's go ahead and take a look at an example of this. I'm going to select sign in. And I'm going to go up to the top of the screen where I see KB or knowledge base. I'm going to select add a new article. And this is where we're going to give a title to our article, particularly something that we know users or our fellow coworkers will search for. I want to do this on an application called DriverMax. If you guys enrolled in one of my previous courses, you know that DriverMax is a very great application that not only allows you to back up system drivers, but also restore system drivers in a few simple steps. So let's go ahead and type that. Let's do backup system drivers with the application DriverMax. Now let's go ahead and give it a brief description. DriverMax allows you to back up system drivers in a few simple and easy steps. Now, another thing that really makes a good article in a company's knowledge base is links. Whether it's a link to an article that you read or a link to an application such as this, a link will very help the person that's logged in and trying to get assistance on the issue. So let's go ahead and type the name of the application. I'm going to go to my DriverMax window. I'm going to copy the link, right click and paste. So now we have a very helpful title, we have a brief description of the application, and we also have a link that will redirect our fellow coworker to the accurate web page where they can download this application. Now let's go over here and add a few tags. Now tags also help with search results as well, but we want to add something that, as stated before, our users are going to be searching for. So we know with this particular title article, they're going to be searching for drivers. Maybe they're also going to be searching for free online applications. Let's see, maybe tips and tricks. That's always a good one. Let's do backup drivers. And maybe one more. Let's do cool applications. There we go. We see the display permission is set to all users, so any user that logs into this knowledge base is going to be able to search for this particular article. And if everything looks good to you guys, we're going to go ahead and click publish. And there it is. So this is our article now published in the company's knowledge base or public library, as we saw in the beginning. We have the title, we have the description, and also the link, and a few of the tags that we put in. So anytime a user comes in, just like here in this top left corner, you see search publish articles. A user would be able to search different terms, maybe like drivers, backup, applications, such. When they type these terms, driver max article would be filtered and the user would be able to go through it. We can go back to tickets, go back to KnowledgeBase, and there you can see the article that we published. I hope you guys enjoyed this course. I will see you again in the next one.